So this is Neelam Sawhney. Today's topic is conception model. So the first one is introduction. A model is a means of organizing a complex body of knowledge. For example, the linkage between the various concepts related to human behavior may be represented in the form of model, which can now be referred to as a conception model. There is a types of model: existential model, psychoanalytical model, behavior model, and last interpersonal model. The first one is existential model. The existential model centers on a person's present experience rather than his past one. The theorist who particularly emphasizes the importance of existential model are Pearl, Glasser, Elise, Rogers, Frankl. Psychoanalytical model: all human behavior is caused and thus is capable of explanation. All human behavior from birth to old age is driven by an energy called the libido. The personality of the human being can be understood by way of three major hypothetical structure: ID, ego, and superego. The next one is behavior model. Basic assumptions of behavior model are: all behavior is learned. All behavior occurs in response to stimulus. Human beings are passive organisms that can be conditioned or shaped to do anything if correct responses are rewarded or reinforced. Maladaptive behavior can be unlearned and replaced by adaptive behavior. And deviation from behavior from occur when undesirable behavior has been reinforced. Interpersonal model: human beings are essentially social beings. Human personality is determined in the context of social interaction with other human beings. Anxiety plays a central role in the formation of human personality by serving as a primary motivator of human behavior. Self-esteem is an important facet of human personality that form in reaction to the experience of anxiety. Security mechanisms are used to reduce to or avoid the experience of anxiety. Early life experience with parents, especially the mother, influence an individual's development throughout life. So, thank you so much.